Are you searching for a Dallas mold removal company to remediate a mold issue in your Dallas home or business? Make a call to the mold removal experts at North Texas Mold Removal today. Black mold will often have a distinctive smell, usually similar to mildew, which is a musty sort of smell. Some people portray the odor as rotting wood or wet, dirty socks. Either way, mold is always referred to as having a musty smell. Usually, once you have mold in your home, the odor is the only clue to let you know that you do indeed have a mold infestation. Do not ignore the odor of mildew in your home. It is important to locate where the odor is coming from and in turn, find the mold. If you find that you have a mold infestation, give North Texas Mold Removal a call. Our professional mold removal technicians will come out to your home or business and help you locate the problem. Once located, our team will lay out a plan to totally remediate the mold so that you can breathe easier knowing that your home or business is safe and clean. Give us a call today at 469-806-0700. We have technicians available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week to take your call and answer your questions. Have a great day.